Hi, this is Rich from Newschoolpiano. We're going to do a request I had from another video. A gal named Grace asked to play Hunter Hayes' Still. Songs like this, I'll break it down real quick. It's about 5 chords. All right, here we go. First chord, C sharp minor, which is C sharp, E, G sharp. Then it does, second chord is a walking B chord, but it has a D sharp bass, which is unusual. It's a D sharp bass. And this is a D sharp here, but here's the B chord, B, D sharp, F sharp. Okay. Here's the third chord, which is an E inverted. E note in the left hand. E chord here is B, E, G sharp. Just so you know, an E chord inverted with B is actually supposed to be there. We just moved it down. We took it from there to there. Okay, so 3 chords. Okay, that's where we are. Next chord is F sharp minor, which is C sharp, F sharp, A, all 4 chords. And now the next chord, C sharp minor. Back to that. Let's play that whole section. Here we go. There's only 2 more chords left. Got all that? Slow down, rewind as you need it. There also is a speed control on YouTube playback, so you can slow it down if you need to. You do that in settings. All right, last 2 chords. A flat minor to A. Here they are. A flat minor, which is also called a G sharp minor, is A flat, B, E flat with an A flat, and then we're going to move everything up to an A, which is A, C sharp, and E. Here's the whole thing. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, that's the whole song. Rewind as you need. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Please subscribe to our channel. Visit newschoolpiano.com for more interesting information about music and some videos. And I want to thank Grace for making this request. Thanks. Take care.